Got him. Oh, missed him. See that? He's very finicky. This bass is fired. Oh, he missed again. He just kind of went for it. Got him. Not a bad fish. He's really pinned. He's really pinned. What? Oh no! Yes! I got him. All right, guys. Third day. This is the fish I missed the second day, right here. Caught him on the white swim bait on his bed. He's not a bad one. Okay, is there another fish on there? I can't tell.
I'm having some trouble with the connection.
That's my phone.
Please try again in a moment.
Okay, well, here's the fish, guys. Let him go. Alright guys, so yesterday I did miss that fish and I decided to drop a swim bait on there. He demolished at about the third cast, and that was the only bed fish I ended up hooking into. There's a bunch of them, but they just weren't committing to my baits. And yeah, so that's the last episode of my trip to Roosevelt, and I'll see you guys next video.